Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about arithmetic and relational operators in C++. These operators helps us perform calculations and compare values, making them essential in every C++ program. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical calculations while relational operators compare values and run either it is true or false, and it returns either true or false. So next is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators performs basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So here are the 5 arithmetic operators. Here comes addition. The addition operator adds two values and returns their sum. When both operands are integers, the result is also integer. The subtraction operator subtracts the right operand from the left. Remember, changing the order changes the results. The multiplication operator multiplies two numbers. We have to be cautious while multiplying large values to avoid overflow problems. The division operator divides two numbers. If both the operands are integers, C++ performs integer division and removes the decimal part. Here comes integer versus floating division. To obtain decimal results, at least one operand should be a floating point value such as double. The modulus operator returns the remainder after division. It is commonly used to check whether the number is odd or even. Next comes the operator precedence. C++ follows operator precedence. Multiplication, division and modulus are evaluated before addition and subtraction. Parentheses can change the evaluation order. So when an integer and a double are used together, C++ automatically converts the integer into a double. Assigning the result back to an integer removes the decimal part. The increment operator increases a variable by 1, while the decrement operator decreases it by 1. Prefix and postfix operators behave slightly differently. Next comes compound assignment. Here the operator is like plus equals and minus equals which provides shorter way to update variable values. Next comes the relational operators. The relational operators compares two values and returns either it is true or false. Here are the 6 relational operators. First is equal to. The double equal to operator checks whether the two values are equal. We should not be confused with the single equal sign which is used for assignment. Not equal to. So this operator returns true when two values are different. Next is greater than. This checks whether the left value is larger than the right value. Next is less than. Here the operator checks whether the left value is smaller than the right value. Next, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to operates in the same comparison manner. Next comes Boolean results. So every comparison produces a Boolean result. Here it is true is represented as 1 and false is represented as 0. So comparison in if statements. Relational operators are mainly used in decision making statements such as if where code executes only if the condition is true. A common mistake in using a single equal sign instead of double equal sign inside the conditions. Should always use equal to, double equal to for comparisons. Combining operators, arithmetic expressions are evaluated first and their results are then compared using relational operators to form conditions. Next comes the overall precedence. With arithmetic and relational operators appears together, arithmetic operations are performed first unless parenthesis specifies otherwise. Here is a quick recap. Arithmetic operators perform calculations while relational operators compare values. So to conclude, in this lecture we have explored arithmetic operators, relational operators, operator precedence and common mistakes. These concepts forms the foundation for expressions and decision making in C++. Thank you.